My name is Troy McDonald. I've been volunteering here in the Abacos with Operation 300. I wanted to just tell a little bit about my experience. It's been a rewarding but emotionally challenging experience. The devastation that the folks from the Abacos have received from the hurricane is undescribable, and I'm frankly at a total loss for words how to describe it. But there's been several rewarding moments. I think one of the most rewarding moments for me was going to the village of Boxwood, north of Treasure Cay, and visiting with all the folks there that we've helped, and also going to Hope Town, where I have a personal connection to, and seeing how devastated that community is. But at the same time, we're seeing a spirit of rebuilding, of life and gratefulness for us being here, but also how they really just want to go forward, and they're so humble about it. And so it's been a great opportunity to be here. If you get a chance to come and volunteer in the Bahamas, I highly recommend it.
Hey, I'm Jens, Operation 300. This was an awesome experience to come out here and help on ground zero. We were able to do some cleanup around the church. We were able to help people and get an understanding of what they need. Quite a few on our team are thinking on what else they can do when they get back to help people on the ground. And the opportunity to do that is amazing, and we need more people to understand in the United States what devastation is going on here, and what we can do to help put this back together, because there are people here that need our help.
My name is John. I'm here with Operation 300.
Hi, my name is Anna.
Hi, this is Andrew. I've worked with Operation 300. Going and seeing Marsh Harbour, where it just seems like everything is just going to be completely destroyed, was truly humbling, because you just can't describe like the just level of destruction.
I was glad to find that it was actually a lot of people had already come before us and helped, and I just think it's important that we keep sending people and resources to help the people of the Bahamas.
How was your day today? What did you do?
Wonderful, wonderful. Absolutely tired and happy that I could help.